I'm about to eat the banana pancakes with my boy Aaron. You excited for the pancakes, Aaron?
Yeah, I am.
Banana! Look, it's the minion pancake. The minion pancake.
Yeah.
Banana. There's even bananas on it. Does it look like a minion? It smells like a.
Thank you.
It smells kind of delicious. And then of course, I got the onions on top of hash browns, eggs, sunny side, and sausages. And these are delicious. And we all got pancakes.
They didn't get sausages and bacon.
I just want to.
I just want sausage. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
Also, that's
It's time to become a minion. I'm gonna try the minion pancake. So it just literally comes with like sprinkles and this weird sauce. So I'm just gonna try the sauce right there. It's like banana, just like banana sauce.